Good morning, friends! Today we are learning good habits. Let's brush, wash, and clean up together. First, we brush our teeth every morning. Brush, brush, brush. We brush our teeth to keep them clean and shiny. Now my teeth are super clean. Great job! Time to wash my hands. Rub them together, make lots of bubbles. Now for the water. Rinse them clean under the water. All clean now. All clean. Time to go play. All done. Oh no, my toys are messy. Let's clean up. Toys go in the box. This red one goes here. Now the green one on top. Yay, all done. Wow, so clean. Okay, toys, time to play. Whoa, not like that. This is getting silly.
Good job, Sophia! I'm proud of you!
Now you know, these are good habits that help us every day. Brush your teeth every day. Clean up your toys. You are a good habits hero. Subscribe for more fun!